And hello from the Hyperledger Global Forum here in Dublin. I'm delighted to be joined by Heather Dahl, from the CEO and co-founder of Indicio. Hello, Heather.
Hi, thank you for having me here.
Heather, could you introduce yourself and your role in Indicio, and also what Indicio is all about?
Yes, well, I'm Heather. I'm CEO and one of the co-founders of Indicio. And Indicio, what we focus on is advancing the adoption of decentralized identity to benefit everyone around the world, and also to help enterprises, organizations, governments, institutions, NGOs, nonprofits find the value and benefit as far as it goes for decentralized identity and doing things like reducing fraud, improving efficiencies, creating new revenue models, helping gather really verified, authentic data from other sources without any direct integrations. And people wonder, how is that all possible? Well, it's possible because of all the work in the Hyperledger communities, like Hyperledger, Aries, Indy, and Ursa, the primary ones that we've been involved with.
Great. I'd like to explore that a little bit more. So when we talk about digital identity, importance of it, and particularly importance in across different industries for fraud and identification, why is Hyperledger Technologies so readily adapted and ready for that?
It's the community. It is the benefit of an entire community working together with the same goals of advancing this technology, moving it to be production ready, and that you have some of the best and brightest minds working together in this community setting. And so not only at Indicio do we build to help our customers succeed, we help in building everyone succeed who is using decentralized identity. And as a result, that means that we can move towards adoption and success quicker, faster, and with stronger solutions.
Wonderful. Is there one particular project that's caught your eye, or something you'd like to share with the audience, or what to expect this year, either from Indicio or in this identity space with Hyperledger?
We're really seeing not just one industry or company, but multiple industries moving towards production and commercial solutions in the next year at scale. And that's what's fascinating, is that over the past year, 2 years really, there has been so much work going on. I guess during the pandemic, when we were all working at home and we didn't have a lot of places to go to, we basically burnt the midnight oil. And so there has been aggressive building and testing, and now those solutions succeeded and they're moving to market. So I think we can see that. One of the interesting projects that I watch and look to is with CETA, the global aviation technology provider. They did a number of projects around using a verifiable credential based on Hyperledger Aries for the purposes of sharing health information. But that really built a foundation for using a verifiable credential in the travel ribbon for other purposes. And so what they're driving to is moving the digital travel credential, otherwise known as the DTC, to help create a seamless travel journey for passengers, and they continue to move that forward at an astonishing pace. And so that is one project that I continue to watch, and I'm fascinated by it.
Fantastic. And I think there's two quick questions, if I may, just to close. One, just to share with our audience the value you see as being part of this Hyperledger community would be super.
I think the value I see in being a part of the Hyperledger community is the power of support, the strength of the support, the fact that you have like-minded individuals from around the world, across industries, vast experiences and background, that we all come together and we get to work on projects that help drive and benefit everyone. And in addition to that, because it's such a global organization in nature, it's welcoming for people from all backgrounds. And that there is a structure in place that helps welcome, helps allow everyone to make contributions, allows everyone to participate and be heard, and also receive the benefit as well. And so that has been something that Hyperledger has demonstrated from my experience, I think, going on 5 years now with Hyperledger from day one, has been a place that everyone is welcome here, everyone is included, no matter who you are, what your background is. You can come and work on these projects and contribute equally and benefit as well.
Heather, thank you ever so much for your time
this
afternoon, and the very best luck with your projects. Thank you so much.
Thank you.